Last step was add food grade wax to the top and buff it out. But I gotta keep my hands on these things because they can get out of control. Well, crap. I guess I only have 5. Unless I break another one. Okay, so here's all my biscuit cutters. Final dimension is, it's a 2.5-inch biscuit, which is what I've seen is standard. So these should do fine. So I was supposed to have 6, but one of them I lost control of on the buffing wheel when I was doing the top, and that's not usable. So now I only have 5 for this weekend, but it'll have to do. All right. Thanks for watching.